Hello my dear traders, I hope you have an amazing day today. Guys, today I decided to film a very interesting tutorial for you. Well, basically today we are going to talk about two topics, which is first one, we are going to talk a bit about risk money management and the strategy, how you can work in case you have losses and how it's better to use your funds in trading. And the second one is how you can trade using my signals from my closed community. And yeah, just to make it more clear and more easier for you to understand. So guys, be sure to watch this video till the end. It's going to be very useful, and yeah, let's get started. So guys, in order to get into the closed Telegram channel with the signals, you have to text me a code word signal, and I will be able to add you into my closed Telegram channel with signals. You will find the link under this video. Just go to the Telegram channel and text me a message, and after you will fulfill certain conditions, I will add you to my closed group with signals. Guys, the conditions are quite simple. You just need to register on Pocket Option platform or on Quotex platform. Also, of course, you can register on both platforms. I will also provide you with the links under this video. Also guys, after that you need to top up your deposit around $50, and then you can send me your account ID of the Pocket Option platform or the Quotex platform, and after guys, I will check your ID and I will accept you into the team. I will add you to the my private Telegram channel. So I want to show you right now how it looks and everything. Join my private channel for free trading signals. So guys, here I will publish the signals that you can trade on accordingly. Guys, before the start of the trading session, I will send the first message stating that I will hold a trading session today. I will also specify the platform on which we will trade, guys. This is the Pocket Option platform, or for example the Quotex platform. Also guys, I must say right away that you can basically trade on any of these platforms, and since they have the same codes, therefore each of you can trade on the platform that is most convenient for you. Another important point is that if we trade on weekends, for example on OTC charts, then the quotes on the OTC charts will differ on the Pocket Option platform and on the Quotex platform. But guys, if we trade on regular currency pairs on weekday, then the quotes on both platforms will be the same. There may be only minor differences of a few points, but as you understand, several points can also affect the final outcome of the transaction. Therefore, I still recommend that you choose the broker that I specify in the message. So then I also specify the time, guys, time and time zone. Based on this time, it will be clear to you what time the trading session will start. Also wish you a good start and a good day. Then after a certain time, I send the following message in which I warn you that I will start sending signals in an hour, and I'll send you a warning in 20 minutes. Be ready to trade. Then I send the following message which says that we will start in about 20 minutes. Then the next message I provide the following information which says that the alarm will be in 3 minutes. I also specify the currency pair that I'm currently analyzing, and of course I'm prescribing a broker on which we'll trade, in this case the Pocket Option. You can prepare for this message, guys. You go to the platform, open the currency pairs lab and find the desired currency pair in the list. You can also register it in the search engine, so you find and select the desired currency pair. Then you return to the Telegram channel and wait for the moment when I will send the next message. Thus, after a while, a signal arrives indicating the direction of movement, and in our case is going up, indicating the USD/JPY currency pair at the time for which the transaction will be open. After receiving this message, you switch to the Pocket Option and or Quotex platform, and here you have already selected the desired currency pair. Then in this section you select the time, in our case 3 minutes. Then next line you should specify the amount for which you will open the transaction. Everyone has different deposits, so the transaction amounts are also different, guys, and then you press the button. For example, I will open a deal for $1 to buy. Because the signal indicated that it was necessary to open a deal to go buy, so guys, it turns out that you copied my signal. In other words, you have fully fulfilled the conditions that I wrote in the message. Now I've been watching the price for 3 minutes and waiting for the result. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. So guys, then we can go to Telegram channel, and here I also write with what result the deal was closed with me. Then after a certain time I send the following message. As you can see, this is the next signal, where certain information is also provided, namely the direction of movement up or down is indicated here. In our case, guys, it's up. Then the currency pair is also indicated. It can also be the same currency pair, or for example a different one. It also indicates the time for which you need to open a deal. Thus, we immediately switch to the platform, guys, and fulfill the specified conditions, namely we check which currency pair we selected, also see what time is on the timer, in our case 3 minutes, and also of course you set the amount of the transaction. And after that you press the button, in our case the green button, open a deal to go up. So guys, as you understand, you have copied the following signal. Then after 3 minutes I will also share my result in Telegram. Then after a while the next signal will arrive, also at the end of which signal I share my results. Then at the end of the trading session I will summarize the result, in which I write how many trades we opened, how many profitable deals we had, and how many negative ones. This completes the trading session, and as you can see, guys, it's not difficult to trade using signals. Everything is quite simple and clear. This is exactly how trading sessions are conducted in my closed Telegram channel. Also, guys, I want to tell you that once you get into my Telegram channel, the entire transaction history will be available and open to you. That is, if you wish, you can scroll up and view the entire transaction history. This way you can make sure that we mostly trade profitably, and that's why we manage to make money in the long run. Even though here we have also losing deals, nevertheless, most of our transactions are profitable, and this means that in the future you will also be able to earn on the signal. The main thing when trading is to adhere to the risks of money management. That is, you always need to keep some money on deposit to cover unprofitable deals, and I recommend that you trade from 1 to 5% of the current deposit. The lower the percentage of the initial transaction, the more potential steps your deposit can take. For example, you can trade with a fixed amount that is always open deals for the same amount, and for example 1% of the deposit. And if you, in your case, the deposit is, for example, $100, you can trade at maximum 5% of your deposit. That is, initial transaction will be amount will be $5 of your deposit. That is, if you make loss, you reopen deal for $5. That is, every time you open a deal for $5, regardless of the outcome of the next deal. As I said on my Telegram channel, we mostly trade profitably. This means that there will still be more profitable deals than unprofitable ones, and even trading with a fixed amount, you will still be able to make a profit. Guys, of course, you can also make it another way. For example, your deposit is $100 and you open the initial transactions amount from 1 to 5%, and that is, it can be a deal from $1 to $5. And if you first deal become a loss, then you proceed to the second step and open the next deal with double value. That is, for example, if your last deal was for $5, then you will open this one for $10, and in this case of profitable transaction, you will be able to return the previously lost $5 and as well as earn another 4. Guys, depending of course on the interest rate of the currency pair. This thus, after receiving a profitable deal, you return to the first step of your strategy, that is, you open a deal for $5. Again guys, it is in this way that with the doubling system you will be able to trade and compensate for losses after each losing deal. Of course guys, your deposit will grow during the trading process. This means that you will be able to gradually increase the initial amount of the transaction. As you understand guys, this way your income from each transaction will grow. Therefore guys, choose any of these strategies. The main thing is to stick to the risk of money management, and it is unlikely that you will be able to lose a properly calculated deposit. If everything is done correctly guys, then in the future I'm sure you'll be able to earn money from the signals in my closed Telegram channel. Thank you for watching this video till the end guys. I hope everything is clear for you now. If you still have questions, you can easily contact me and ask me whatever you want. Of course, I'm going to provide all the useful links together with this video, so it will be easier for you. And also guys, you can join our team on Telegram and trade together with us. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video. And yeah guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.